Class ready.
Harshika, which grade are you in?
Ma'am, third class.
Oh, you're in third class. That's great. Thank you for waking up and joining the session this morning. Who places the order mostly when you go out? I already have responses here. Dad does, Papa does. Okay, Sudhiti says dad, Surdi says dad, father. Ishit says me sometimes. Okay, dad, mom, Papa, dad. So today, since we are learning how to be more confident, we will learn how we can place order in a restaurant. So next time when you go out to eat, you should be the one placing the order. Will you say it at a restaurant? बोल के दिखाइए.
We would like a table for 4 people.
Very nice. That's very confident. Anybody else who would like to try?